Check, mic check. 1 2 1 2. Yo, what is up? This is Carson Hardy, aka Carsonist from Creationist. I am out here in Polly's Island, and I'm actually with an old friend from Best Buy.
What's up, people? It's CJ from Tech, of course.
Tech, of course.
Out here doing things.
He hasn't touched his camera in so long, and today we are going to change that. I've also got my drone, and we got this sick Camaro that he drives to shoot. What a model. We're all models. Find a better way to disable the sensors because sport mode is way too sensitive. Trying to fly up this, incredibly hard. Second crash. This is the first actual crash I had. The first crash with this drone was the fault of automatic modes. If you're trying to track a target, I really don't recommend doing it in a place with trees. Just use the mode. Just use the mode that the camera follows you and not the drone. All right, let's see if we're able to fly. And this time we will do it visually instead of 50 feet away. We're still flying.
Floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights.
So if you've had a prior DJI product, you're probably wondering by default, how can I change my gimbal to go from the standard position to straight down? Now you can use this scroll wheel on the back, but I find that's just too slow for me. Now I found out using this function button, by default, it is going to turn on this auxiliary light. And you can actually see it on the drone over there. If you go over to the settings, go to control, and pretty much all the way down, you can change the button customization. So if I tap it, I can change it to be recenter gimbal. And now, when I press function, it slides it up or it slides it down. So when I decided to take pictures, I also tested out how far could I go. And I ran into range issues, which was surprising as this drone's supposed to have improved. Yet I was maybe 2 football fields away, but I was still able to get some killer shots. Now, I also realized that there's limitations. The Mavic Air 2 does not have any automatic modes like orbiting, so what you're seeing now is me doing it by hand, and the wider shots were easier, but the close ones, I would say, are almost unusable. But still gonna have some fun with it, and it'll make me a better drone pilot in the end. Overall, I'd say the Mavic Air 2 is limited, but you can still use some fun automatic modes like this. I love to just have it track me, not actually follow, but track. The safest way is just to visually track. Please do not active track if you are in a dense place or not high enough. Well, that's going to conclude this drone case study. See you in the next one. Like and sub. Peace.